I tried Mercuryo wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. I decided to try the Mercuryo wallet app for 7 days to see if it really lives up to the hype, and the results honestly surprised me. Most people think all crypto wallets are the same, but Mercuryo takes a very different approach. Let's get into what I discovered. Right from the start, the setup is quick and smooth. Mercuryo isn't just a crypto wallet, it's a full payment ecosystem. You can buy, sell, and transfer crypto using regular bank cards or Apple Pay. I was impressed by how simple it was to purchase Bitcoin and instantly see it appear in my balance. The app supports popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dust, making it ideal for everyday users. What really caught my attention was Mercuryo's built-in fiat gateway. Most wallets make you go through third-party exchanges, but here you can convert crypto to fiat directly and withdraw it to your bank account. Within a few minutes, I was able to cash out, no complicated steps, no waiting days for transfers. But here's where things get interesting. While Mercuryo is fast and user-friendly, it's not fully non-custodial. That means you don't completely control your private keys. Mercuryo holds them for you. This makes it easier for beginners, but advanced users might see it as a downside because it adds a level of trust in the platform. Another thing to note, transaction fees vary by region and payment method. During my test, I noticed slightly higher fees for credit card purchases compared to direct crypto transfers. After 7 days, my honest conclusion? Mercuryo is a great choice for convenience and accessibility. It bridges the gap between crypto and traditional finance better than most apps I've used. However, if you're a hardcore crypto purist who wants full control of your keys, you may prefer a different wallet. The shocking truth is Mercuryo makes crypto feel as easy as using PayPal, and for many users, that's exactly what's been missing.